Chief Presidential Legal Counsel and Presidential Spokesperson Salvador Panelo, the Mr. Referral, Ombudsman Samuel Martires, Civil Service Commission Chairperson Alicia De La Rosa Bala, Commissioner Leopoldo Roberto Valderosa, and the other officials of the Civil Service Commission, the 2019 Civil Service Commission Pag-asa Dangal ng Bayan and Presidential Lingkod Bayan awardees, si Eileen Lisada, distinguished guest, wala ka dito, nakita kita. Ladies and gentlemen, before this is 2 pages. Alam mo, let me first allow me to talk about what's in my heart and maybe what's in my mind. Alam mo kasi in several fora sinasabi ko talaga na nung I'm not campaigning, I can no longer run for any public office, not even a janitor. Yung I simplified my issues to be brought to the people. Ang una sinabi ko is I will try to fight graft and corruption. Second is the drug, because it will destroy our nation eventually. Sa ayaw natin siya hindi, pagka hindi natin na-control ito, walang mangyari sa ating bayan. So, with the 2 sentences at the beginning of my, I do not make speeches. I just want to talk to the people. Parang chismisan lang tayo. I'm about to close my presidency in a matter of months. I really do not know who's going to be the next president. Ang gusto ko lang masiguro kasi na malaman ninyo, pag hindi natin hinto ang graft and corruption, and if there is no law and order sa ating